Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Final Cut Academy. What if I told you there is a way to save minutes or even hours by customizing your shortcut keys? Today I am showing you step by step how to modify shortcuts in Final Cut Pro so you can edit like a pro. Let's dive in. So first we'll open Final Cut Pro app. Here there is an ongoing project of mine. To get the keyboard, we'll press Option, Command and K. Here you can see all the available commands and their current keyboard shortcuts. Let's say you want to change the shortcut for blade tool. So go over here and type blade. Here you can see the shortcut for blade tool is Command B. We will change it to only B. So to do that, highlight here and press B key on your keyboard. Now you can see B key is assigned to blade tool. Now just press save. That's it. Now close it. Now let's select a video clip and press only B key on your keyboard, and bang, you can see it has split the video clip. If this video helped you, do hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Happy editing.